Hello guys and welcome to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and you are safe from the novel coronavirus. However, in this video I'm going to talk about the subject that you should opt or you might opt in class 11. The first subject we have in our list is maths, then science, commerce and then arts. Now I will discuss in detail what you will study in maths and what you can pursue in future. Let's begin with the video. When you opt for math or mathematics, you study physics, chemistry, mathematics, and depending upon your medium, you will either be studying English or Hindi. The beauty about mathematics is that you can go for BTech, BSc, BBA, BMS, that is the Bachelor's in Management Studies, CA, Chartered Accountant, CMS, and CS, Company Secretary, Company Management Studies. Under maths, you can take side subject as PE, CS, EG, and economics. If you want to score good in your 12th board, I suggest you not to take CS. Instead, go for either for PE or EG or economics. Now we will talk about commerce. In commerce, you will be studying about business studies, economics, and accounts. Now, business studies is dealing with the information related to making or breaking your business or studying a particular. It generally includes case studies and etc etc. Economics, as you all know, you might have studied in class 10th also. And accounts is like physics of commerce. It is very hard, and in class 12 a very difficult type of questions are asked in accounts. Now, depending upon your board, you will be studying as your fourth subject as English or Hindi. Side subject you can opt for like PE. IP means information practices. Here you will be taught coding in like Java platform, not deep coding but a good level of coding. Then ENTRO means entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is yet an interesting and scoring subject which is not introduced in all the CBSE or state board schools, but if you get a chance, then do opt either for entrepreneurship or for PE. And the fourth one is home science. Now, when you pursue commerce, you also have variety of options. Like you can go for BCom, BBA, BMS, CS, CA, or CMS. Now, after pursuing BCom and all this bachelor's degree, you can go for MBA, and MBA is yet another beautiful option for your career. Now, moving on to our next subject, that is the science. So, in science, you will study physics, chemistry, biology, English, and Hindi. Now, physics is and chemistry are as similar as in mathematics. Basically, in physics, you learn about free body diagram, motion, waves, and other things. And in chemistry, also you will learn about solutions and etc. But if you are targeting for NEET, then one thing I would like to tell you that your chemistry and biology should be very strong. Biology may consist of zoology, botany, etc. etc. Actually, I don't know much about biology. I know only some small portion. Now, depending upon your board, it might be English or Hindi as your fourth subject. Now, you can opt side subject as PE, physical education, IPM, or home science. I am leaving this box blank because you can go for some other streams. Like there might be some streams like yoga and all. I don't know much about that box. Now, these were the three very popular ones. Now, talking about the careers which you can pursue are MBBS, BAMS. BAMS stand for Bachelor's in Ayurveda Medical Science. BSc, Bachelor's in Science in any subject like BSc in Physics, Chemistry, Biology, or B Pharma. B Pharma is yet another very course which is high on demand. It is quite cheap and it is completed within 3 years. You can get placed in many companies like Cipla, Vanbexy, etc. Those companies which entirely focus on making medicines, be agriculture. Now our last stream is arts. Now let me move towards arts. Now talking about arts, you will study about history, political science, geography, English or Hindi. History and political science are like core of arts, and geography also you will learn about map pointing and locating the physical and the chemical nature of rocks, etc. Side subject you can opt as PE, IP, debate or public speaking, home science or drawing. Now, as you might know that in arts the most demanding career is UPSC or your state PSC, and you can go for BA, bachelor's in arts or in fine arts. Now these are not only limited course, you can also go like you can learn some language, French or German, or you can go for bachelor's in French or bachelor's in German. It depends. Now arts is one such category which has very variety of options, arts, maths and commerce also. Like you can say that biology has least options, but anyways, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can never miss any update that I make. Thank you and stay safe.